Welcome to the Electricity Lab. In this lesson, we will introduce you to Ohm's Law. So what is Ohm's Law? Ohm's Law is a formula used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. The equation is V equals I times R. V stands for voltage, I stands for current, and R for resistance. Voltage is measured in unit volts. I, which represents the current, is measured in amperes. And R, the resistance, is measured in ohms. So let's start doing a practical experiment showing how resistors obeys Ohm's law. We will use an Ohm's law kit which has the following components. Ammeter to measure the current. Voltmeter to measure the voltage. LED wires and a battery pack that allows you to change the supplied voltage by plugging the wire into different terminal. And the last component, the resistors. Now drag the resistor into the glowing sheet grid. The value of the resistor will show up on the circuit diagram. As you can see, the ammeter is connected to the positive terminal of the battery pack, and the other wire of the ammeter is connected to the resistor's connector. Now you need to close the circuit by plugging the black wire into the negative 1.5 volts terminal, then plugging the other side of the wire to the resistor's connector. Good job! Now the circuit is closed and the ammeter is showing the current value. Now connect the voltmeter in parallel across the resistor, so we can get the voltage value on the resistor. Good job! As you can see, the values for current and voltage will be logged on the table panel. At the same time, it is also plotted on the graph panel. Now change the supplied voltage by plugging the LED into the 3-volt terminal. Do the same for the next 4.5 and 6-volt terminals. As you can see, plotting the results on a current versus voltage graph and adding a line of best fits, we get a straight line through the origin. This confirms that a resistor obeys Ohm's law since the voltage is proportional to the current for a fixed resistance.